Nowadays, due to stress, anxiety, medical conditions, medications, and lifestyle factors, a big number of people feel insomnia on daily basis. Today, I'm gonna tell you how you can improve your sleeping habits to beat insomnia. And if you don't have persistent insomnia, this technique can definitely improve your sleep quality. Progressive muscle relaxation. PMR is a technique that involves tensing and then relaxing different muscle groups in the body. It promotes physical and mental relaxation. To practice this technique, start by lying down in a comfortable position. Begin with your toes, tense them for a few seconds, and then release the tension while focusing on the sensation of relaxation. Move up to your feet, legs, and gradually work your way up to your head and neck. This exercise helps releasing tension and it prepares the body for sleep. Visualization and imagery. You can try using the power of your imagination to create a calming and peaceful mental image. Close your eyes and visualize yourself in a tranquil environment such as a beach or a peaceful garden. Engage your senses by imagining the sound of waves, the warmth of the sun, or the smell of flowers. By focusing on these relaxing images, you can redirect your thoughts away from racing or stressful thoughts that might be keeping you awake. 4-7-8 breathing technique. This breathing technique popularized by Dr. Andrew Weil. It is designed to help you relax and prepare for sleep. You can begin by exhaling completely through your mouth. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7 and then exhale through your mouth to a count of 8. Repeat this cycle 3 more times. The deliberate focus on your breath and extended exhalation can help slow down your heart rate and induce relaxation. Did you find these techniques helpful? Do practice and let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Happy healings.